So this is what's on the agenda for today. In the next couple days, we will be cutting this sucker up. It used to be a trailer frame. Got a little bit of copper on it. I say this is going to be a couple tons. Got somebody following me. All right, let's get this sucker cut up. A little bit of copper. A little bit of copper we found. All right, look at this. We found another nice little piece of copper right here. This is how far we've gotten getting these mill supports out. I'll be back once I get to the axles. But it's going pretty easy with the angle grinder. All right, we are definitely putting a dent in it. Almost to the axles. Man, it is hot outside. All right, we're moving along. Still got a lot left. It's hot out. Jeez. So change of plan. I'm gonna work this way down because over here is in the shade and it's hot out. So the first blade I'm gonna be trying is this Milwaukee Wrecker. Let's see how this does. That blade did pretty good. It got me about 7 cuts until I broke it. Now we are going to try the thick metal torch blade carbide teeth. But this one actually got me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cuts out of it. Damn, I'm gonna need a lot of blades. I'll take a break.
Somebody pop up and hit you in the head.
I know. Yeah, so I got that one. So that should pop off right there.
Yeah.
I got that one cut pretty good. I'll come up and cut this side. But yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot of steel to come hitting me.
Yeah, it is.
We're gonna see if it snaps apart. Come on, snap. Snap, snap. Oh no. Pinched it. broke my Sawzall latch. All right, well, I made it back to the house. This is what I got today. I didn't get as much as I wanted to get. My Sawzall ended up breaking, so I had to cut a lot of it with the angle grinder, and it was just a pain. That Sawzall was eating through it pretty quick. So I have to go get a new one and head back out there. But did get some done. It was just so hot, I couldn't film much because my phone kept dying. It kept overheating, but we did get a little bit of footage, so hopefully that works. Did find a little bit of copper also. So that's always good, finding copper. That's easy money. So hopefully next time I go out there, it won't be as hot, be able to get more footage, and the Sawzall won't break. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you guys watching. That's Mr. Bear. You guys have a good one.